Hello there everyone, this is Brother Birch. In this video I'm going to be introducing assignment 4.4. It says, our assignment this week is to determine the relative speed of a linear search versus a binary one using instrumentation. To do this, start with the code at here. Okay, so that's nice, we can copy from that template. Here you'll need to modify the functions binary and linear to count the number of comparisons that are performed to find the target number. Next, you'll need to modify compute average linear and compute average binary to determine the number of compares on average it takes to find each element in the array. Okay, so you'll be counting every time you loop through. In both situations, you'll be counting how many times it takes, so you can see, so that at the end you can compare, the efficacy of each. One thing that I recommend that you look at, this is on page 236. Okay, assignment 3.1, it's talking about linear searches. Okay, it's been a while since we've looked at this, but remember, a linear search is just from left to right. Okay, if I was going to look for the value of x in an array of 1,000, I would just loop from 0 to 1,000, and whenever I hit x, I'd be done. Okay, that's a linear search. A binary search algorithm works much like searching for a hymn in a hymnal. You start in the middle, and then if it's greater, then you move to the left, and if it's lesser than, and so you just isolate these middle numbers, and then if you go to 5 and it's still lesser, then you found it, and then same thing if it was greater than it. Okay, and so I would recommend that you look at this binary search example. Really good stuff right here. Okay, and then also make sure that you read through this. All right, consider the file numbers text that has the following values. For the above example, the list right here, if we put that into an array, when we run the program on the above list, the program will compute how long it takes to find an element in the list using the linear search method and using the binary search method. Okay, and then it kind of talks about the differences between these. All right, and then your output will just be, however long it took for each of them. All right, so I recommend that you look at these different things, and as you start to work on this, if you have any questions, just let me know.